Hi friends, I am in front of Konika Palace, Konika Rajvati or Konika Palace. I welcome all of you here on this spot, a great palace by Raja Rajendra Narayan Bhojdev. In the year 1909, June 9, in the year 1909, June 9, this beautiful palace of Konika and Odisha was founded by Raja Rajendra Narayan Bhojdev. He was a great king, he was a benevolent king, he was versatile, a man of dynamic, a man of letter and a man of versatility. As you know, Konika plays a vital role in Indian culture. Not only in Odisha, not in India, in the whole world, Konika represents the culture, Konika represents the educational values, the moral, the dignity, and many more things. You see this palace, you will find that in 1909 it was founded, and the same year 1909 Morley Minto reforms was adopted. So for your kind information, I want to share few information regarding this palace. You can visualize the architecture of this palace. It bears the culture, it bears the silent, you may say the silent testimony of Konika, the feelings of Konika, and the Raja was the person, was the great king who not only ruled in a benevolent manner, in a good administration, however he emphasized so many aspects like your education, culture, even also festivals of Holi, we may call it a colorful festival, and Raja has established many things, and he established first time Konika Library in Ravenshaw College. Ravenshaw College was established in 1869, and he also established many hostels, many educational institutes throughout Odisha. In Bhadrak also you will find one hostel. Even also Konika Square or Konika Chowk is present in Cuttack, one of the oldest city of Odisha and former capital of Odisha. And for your information, I want to share this palace, this Konika palace says that we are not divided, we are united. Konika is always united, Konika is always great, not only in Odisha but in India. And the irrigation project, the Bandha project, whatever is embankment, and the temple project, so many dynamic steps have been taken by Konika Raja. And every year in the month of March, we may say Indian festival Holi, here we found Raj Melon, get together of all gods and deities around Konika. And for your information I want to share, even also Keradagad, even also Righagad, even also Bhitarkonika National Park, even Aradi, the Lord Shiva temple, everything you will find in this Konika place. And for your information, I want to share that Sri Shailendra Narayan Bhojdev was the first MLA who was a dynamic man, who was a very versatile man, and he was a great king and also great reformer of Konika and Odisha at large. Many research scholars have found many things here in this Konika, and Konika is named after Kanaka Durga or Kanaka Devi, Kanak deity. And you will find that one crocodile which is the largest or longest crocodile of the world, which is found in Konika Palace and Konika locality. And one important thing I want to share, Konika is not famous for culture, Konika is not only famous for education, Konika is not only famous for architecture, Konika is not only famous for human dignity, but it is famous in all aspects of Odisha and India at large. So I request cameraman to show this palace, beautiful palace, for your information. This is the one of the beautiful place in India and in world, and many tourists they are coming every day here to see this palace, to visualize the importance of the palace, to realize the importance of palace. So I please see this palace, and it is very famous, and every day lakhs of tourists research scholars, educationalists, students, teachers, everybody is coming to this palace. I hope you will enjoy this palace in the near future. Thank you very much. Thank you.